Architectural Builders Supply is pleased to present you with this recording of the technical question that is listed in the title of this video.
This call may be monitored and recorded for quality assurance.
Particle board or wafer board filled, so yeah.
Right. So you're going to take an 1 3/4 birch veneer door and you're going to radius it for this pivot. The issue with doing that is, well, is it going to be painted?
Yes. Yep. That door can be painted all sides. Yep.
Okay. Then if it was a door that you weren't painting, when you ran your round over bit over that, you're going to expose and greatly accentuate being able to see the different layers, the veneer, the backer, and the crossband if it's a 7-ply door. So that would be a problem if you were staining the door, but since you're painting it, it won't matter that you can see the backer and the crossband. So yeah, not a big deal.
Okay.
Not a big deal. Yeah. So
you think if that does it matter? Does that always have to be centered in the jamb, or can it be offset? I wanted the door to be flush with the wall, so the plane of the wall reads, basically they'd be 1 3/4 thick. So they'd be in like 7/8 of an inch with the pivot was my idea. I thought,
Yeah, where you place that in the depth of the frame doesn't matter.
Okay.
Whatever the inset will end up becoming, 0 or 1/8 of an inch or 10 inch, it doesn't matter. I mean, it'll affect your ultimate degree of opening, on the side where you've got a lot of jam left over, but...
Right, yeah. I think what I'm going to do is build a whole jam and hang the thing in a fake jam first, that way there I can operate it and see, versus destroying the jam that's already set. So,
building a mock-up, you'll certainly know what you're dealing with, but you'll be an expert after that.
Yeah, well, sometimes.
So when you look at that template that I sent you, it's going to be all about where there's a dimension there that's basically inch and 1/4. Let's say you'll see that vertical dimension 1 1/4. It's all about moving that over, so that the 5 1/8 inch door can swing to 90 degrees. And, the question becomes the floor portion of the bottom pivot, can they manufacture the strap and bend it such that the bottom spindle, the bottom pivot stud, is pushed over far enough to account for the door going to 90 and 5 1/8, basically... divided by 2. So I'm waiting for them to tell, because the top pivot doesn't matter. You're going to put that wherever your vertical axis needs to be. So it's... Yeah.
Well, I thought they had to be in line with each other to get the pivot correctly, no matter which, both of them, no matter where you put them, as long as they're in line. Obviously, depending, you got to get them wherever in a jam because you want it to open to 90. I understand that, but shouldn't they be both in line with each other, plumb, so that it opens uniformly?
They must be. And all we're saying is that the dimension from the cased opening frame to that plumb line is on the template at 1 1/4. That's going to need to be closer to 2 3/4. And it's all about them making that floor portion with a longer leg that's going to sit on top of your floor. And that's everything that I'm waiting to hear back from these people.
All right, good enough.
I've also reached out to alternative people, and the guy out in New England said to me, Ray Jack, he said, no, not something I would take on. So, I don't see this being a problem. It's either made of brass or it's stainless that's going to be, put into a press brake. I'm not getting it. If I had my shop set up, I could weld you the bottom part. I don't at this time.
Yeah. All right. Well, I look forward to hearing from you. I appreciate it. Thank you.
You will, sir. Thank you.
Bye.
Architectural Builders Supply hopes you have enjoyed this program. Again, thank you for watching, and if you've enjoyed this video, please click thumbs up, please subscribe, and maybe even send the video to someone that you know. Thank you.